How to get best carparts.com discount promo code. Now in this video, I'll show you where you can find the best discount promo codes when purchasing some specific parts of your car on carparts.com for us to be able to somehow stretch down the actual price. So before you go ahead and add something into your cart from here or complete your purchase, just simply create a new tab. And then I always go to website when it comes to coupons, discount codes that is still working as of 2026 is going to be couponfollow.com. Now from the box, you simply type in carparts.com and it is usually located at the very first result. Now, if you go ahead from here, you should be able to see specific dates like February 2nd of 2026. You can try to scroll down and check some of the codes that is still working. If you would like to have this 10% off, just simply click this link right here for you to be able to copy the unique code and paste it into one of your carts on carparts.com. And that is how you find the best discount promo codes on carparts.com.